Video, that'll be good.
What do you think, Claire? This is Claire pushing her baby.
See, that's what our problem is.
Wow. Not a very good driver.
We have a recording conflict.
Look out for Grandma. Look out for Grandma. Alright, Joe and Jeff. You can see that Claire loves the Christmas present you gave her. Here she comes. You gotta watch your feet though, because she will run over them. We haven't named baby yet. Dad has made suggestions, but she insists on just baby. You like your baby?
Here comes baby.
Oh, poor Fiona.
Baby ran into Grandma.
Who put that chair there? That's a weird place for a chair. Careful. Hi, Claire.
No.